In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Bank of America routing number with ease. Whether you're setting up direct deposits or need to configure automatic payments, knowing how to quickly access your routing number is crucial. We'll guide you through the process using the Bank of America mobile app, step by step. To begin the process, the first thing you want to do is open the Bank of America app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't already have it, you can download it from your respective app store. Once the app is open, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your online ID and passcode to access your account. If you've set up fingerprint or face recognition, you can use that for a quicker login. Just make sure you're using a secure network to keep your information safe. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Here, your accounts are listed clearly, making it easy to navigate through. Take a moment to find the account you're interested in, whether it's your checking or savings account. When you found it, go ahead and tap on it to select it. This will take you to a more detailed view of your account. Now that you've selected your account, we're going to access your account details. You'll want to look for an icon or option labeled Account Details, or sometimes it appears as an information icon, typically represented by a lowercase I in a circle. Tapping on this will lead you to more specific information about your account. Once you're in the Account Details section, scroll slightly if needed, and you will find a section labeled Account Info. Here, you'll see both your account number and routing number displayed prominently. Make sure to note these numbers carefully for your records or the task at hand. Remember, it's important to keep these numbers confidential and secure to protect your financial information. In summary, accessing your Bank of America routing number via the app is a straightforward task. By logging in with your credentials, selecting your account, and navigating to the account details, you'll have your routing number at your fingertips in just a few taps. This easy access ensures you can manage your finances efficiently without unnecessary hassle. We hope you found this guide helpful and feel more empowered to manage your banking tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact Bank of America customer service and they'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful banking tips and tutorials.